Achieving online success in digital age. In the digital age, achieving online success has become a goal for many individuals. Whether it be starting an online business, becoming an influencer, or generating passive income, the opportunities are endless. However, the road to online success is not always easy, and it requires a certain mindset to overcome challenges and achieve one's goals. This article explores the concept of a mindset millionaire and how shifting your thinking can lead to online success. The term mindset millionaire refers to an individual who possesses a mindset that is conducive to achieving success. It is not necessarily about becoming a millionaire in terms of financial wealth, but rather about adopting a mindset that allows for growth, resilience, and the ability to overcome obstacles. This mindset is especially important in the online world where competition is fierce and success is not guaranteed. One of the key aspects of a mindset millionaire is having a positive mindset. This involves believing in oneself and one's abilities, even when faced with setbacks or failures. Online success often requires taking risks and stepping out of one's comfort zone, and having a positive mindset can help overcome the fear of failure and embrace new opportunities. Another important aspect of a mindset millionaire is having a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges and failures as opportunities for learning and growth rather than as roadblocks. In the online world, things change rapidly, and being able to adapt and learn from mistakes is crucial. Embracing a growth mindset allows individuals to constantly improve and evolve their online strategies, increasing their chances of success. In addition to having a positive and growth mindset, a mindset millionaire also understands the importance of perseverance. Online success rarely happens overnight, and setbacks and failures are inevitable. However, those with a mindset millionaire mindset do not let these obstacles deter them. They understand that success often requires persistence and hard work, and they are willing to put in the effort to achieve their goals. Furthermore, a mindset millionaire understands the power of setting goals and having a clear vision. In the online world, it is easy to get overwhelmed and lose focus. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals can help individuals stay on track and work towards their desired outcomes. Having a clear vision also provides motivation and direction, guiding individuals towards online success. Additionally, a mindset millionaire recognizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. The online world is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies is essential. This requires a willingness to invest time and resources into learning new skills, attending webinars or conferences, and seeking out mentors or coaches. By continuously learning and improving, individuals can stay ahead of the curve and increase their chances of online success. In conclusion, achieving online success requires more than just technical skills or a good business idea. It requires a mindset millionaire mindset, a positive, growth-oriented mindset that embraces challenges, perseveres through setbacks, sets goals, and continuously learns and improves. By shifting your thinking and adopting this mindset, you can overcome the obstacles that come with the online world and increase your chances of achieving online success. So, start cultivating your mindset millionaire mindset today and pave your way to online success.